you to have searched for this video, you'll have known that Twitter does not allow the use of one email address for multiple accounts, but there's always a way to go around it. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make use of one email address for multiple Twitter accounts. But before we proceed, please make sure you subscribe to this channel as it will mean a lot to me. First thing first, you'll have to open Twitter, then swipe from the left and click on account, then settings and privacy, then click on email and input the email you want to use, and you will see that you can't make use of it because you've used it. As for my own case, I have used it for my previous account, so you have to erase everything or just leave it and then put a period in between. What I mean by a period is a full stop, because Gmail does not recognize full stops and email and period, so it will still send your mails to the same email that you've provided. So that is all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.